Managing user permissions in Tenable is an essential task for ensuring the right people have the right level of access to your organization's data and resources. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to manage user permissions in Tenable, making sure your team members can access what they need without overexposing sensitive information. Stick around to the end for an exclusive bonus that you won't want to miss. First, let's talk about how to assign roles. In Tenable, user permissions are mainly based on roles, so assigning the correct role to each user is critical. You can set up roles for admins, users, or other customized roles depending on the needs of your organization. By using predefined roles, you make sure that only the right people have access to your sensitive settings or features. To do this, simply navigate to the Users section, click on the user you want to adjust, and select the appropriate role. Next thing to consider is creating custom roles. If your organization's needs don't align with the predefined roles, you can create custom roles tailored to specific permissions. To create a custom role, go to the Roles section under Settings. Here, you'll be able to define what permissions the role has, such as viewing reports, managing scans, or configuring integrations. This ensures that users can perform their tasks without unnecessary access to areas they don't need. The third thing is managing permissions at the asset level. In Tenable, you can also manage permissions at a more granular level by assigning access to specific assets. This is especially helpful if you're working with large numbers of assets, but want to restrict access to only certain teams. For example, you can give the network team access to only network devices while restricting access for others. It's all about managing visibility and access to protect your organization. Next thing is using groups to simplify management. You can group users together based on their role or function in the organization. By grouping users, you can assign permissions at the group level, which makes managing large teams much easier. Instead of assigning roles to each individual user, you can simply add users to a group and apply the role and permissions to that group. This saves time and ensures consistency across your team. The fourth thing is monitoring and auditing user activity. Keeping track of user activities is crucial for security and compliance purposes. Tenable provides logs that allow you to review user actions, so you can see who made changes, what was modified, and when. Regular audits ensure that no unauthorized changes are made, and you can quickly address any suspicious behavior. To wrap things up, stay on top of permissions as your team grows. As your organization grows and changes, you'll need to continuously update user roles and permissions. Make sure to periodically review and adjust these settings to ensure everyone has the access they need and nothing more. Having a consistent review process in place will help you avoid security risks down the line. Before we finish, remember that you can start using Tenable for free through the exclusive link below, and we've got some extra bonuses waiting for you as well. Don't forget to take advantage of this opportunity to access the full features of Tenable with an extended free trial. That's it for today's quick guide on managing user permissions in Tenable. Be sure to like, share, and check out the free trial below if you want to dive deeper into Tenable's features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.